Hello, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. Two things, excuse my GPS if you hear it, and excuse me for not looking into the camera because I'm trying to drive and my phone keeps falling off the mount. So this is like video number 6. So I'm holding it. So quick video on hiring employees. So this is videos for the small guy, it's for the lone wolf that wants to add another guy to help you out, but you don't want to lose any money by just giving away customers. First things first, I would say the best thing to do is start off slow. Don't go full blown like I'm a company, let me hire a guy and lose some money hiring him and all this other stuff. Hire a guy with the mindset of you're going to, I'm at a red light so I can look at you. With the mindset of, now it's green. You're going to give him your overflow. That's good for your peace of mind and his. Let him know, work won't be steady. It'll be busy some weeks. It'll be slow others, but you'll keep feeding him. And also pay accordingly. So you don't want to gouge the guy, like, let's go 50-50 because, I got the lead, and he's going to be like, well, I'm doing all the work, you'd be like, well, you wouldn't have to work, went for my lead, so, what I do personally, I give my technicians the lion's share of the percentage. So I do a split, and so I give my technicians the lion's share of that split. Number one, because especially if it's a seasoned tech that knows what he's doing, I want to keep you as a technician. Also, knowing, so when it's slow times, when you go out on a call, I know you're getting a nice bit of change. You get a nice bit of change by going out. If it's like 1 or 2 repairs a week on a slow week or something crazy like that, So it's worth it, and to me that's fair. And then as things get busier or whatever, then you can probably change whatever, maybe, if you get more guys or you do warranty work, or you can even say, hey, on warranty repairs, the money's a little different because the money's way less. So that's how I set my things up, man. And I've got quite a few employees now. I got delivery drivers. I pay them a flat rate, no matter if it's a single machine or a set they're delivering. I've got a girl that does my eBay listings for my parts business, and I pay her based off of the number of parts that she lists. So so I pay her a flat rate. Like if she lists 20 parts, she gets a flat rate for 20 parts. So that way she's encouraged to do a certain percentage. It costs me a lot more upfront that way. We're not talking about eBay, but it costs me a lot more upfront that way. But it's listed, and so it's a residual income there down the road. So that, and then my technician, he gets the lion's share. The guy actually works full time and does warranty work for a company, but and then moonlights with me, and it's great because the guy picks up the business that I've been denying. So I try not to work Sundays. I try not to work after, I try to make appointments after 6, 7. It's right now it's 7 o'clock. Because you schedule something, your last one at 4, you still end up getting home late because you squeeze 1 or 2 more in. But so he does all my overflow work, and I get a percentage, so I'm not losing all. I'm not losing everything. They say a small percentage of something is better than all of nothing. So I would just start off that way, man. If you're a lone wolf and you need help, and you're tired of telling, and also I'm a washer and dryer guy, so I don't do fridge. I can, but I don't touch fridges or ovens because I'm just too busy. So I do washers and dryers because they're quick repairs. The parts are easy to store, and it's usually not as much of an emergency as like a refrigerator going out. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's where I'm at. So over the last few years, I probably lost a lot of business.
Turn right onto Steve Reynolds Boulevard.
Because customers will call me and say, hey, can you fix my fridge, fix my dishwasher? And I say, I don't do it. I'm just a washer dryer guy. And okay, you know somebody? And I refer to a guy that I got no money from. So anyway, that's my advice,
Turn right
man.
onto Steve Reynolds Boulevard.
Get a guy that's doing warranty work for somebody else that wants to do COD, cash repairs. Do a fair percentage. I do recommend giving them the lion's share if you want to keep the
Continue
person.
on Steve Reynolds Boulevard for 1.5 miles.
Because psychologically, if you're doing a repair, even though the person gave it to you, but psychologically, if you do a repair and you got to subtract out the parts cost, and then you got to split the money or whatever, you're not getting a lion's share, it does something to you. As a worker, I don't care what business it is, it does something to you, man. So, that's my advice. Any questions? Feel free to comment below. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. Any questions? Let me know. See you in the next video.